Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back for a super short video. So if you do enjoy it, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more. So what we have here is a transcription of a Josh Smith solo jazz blues piece in A. This was sent to me by one of my patrons, and I should preface this by saying Josh Smith is probably my favourite blues guitar player in the world right now. So I'm always interested in seeing great clips of Josh playing, and my patron wanted to know what was happening in one of the bars in this. But rather than doing that one bar, I enjoyed the video so much, I just thought, why don't I transcribe it and post it on my YouTube channel for other people to enjoy and study. I'm going to learn it, you guys should certainly learn it. Check him out when he's on tour next year in the UK, and maybe I'll see you at one of the gigs. Laters.